Problem number 1. Compute the value of the given expression. How should we start here?
So if we use PEMDAS, we know we should start with the parentheses.
What is PEMDAS?
PEMDAS, a special memorization tool that you can use to remember how to solve these types of equations. And basically, it shows you the exact order in which you have to do it.
Order, how we solve our equations. Why did I write it in such a weird way?
Because multiplication and division, they don't have any privilege over one another, and they just go from right to left once you get to that level.
All right, very good. So we start with the parentheses, and we do have one parenthesis here. Let's evaluate the inside. It's 4 squared minus 2. So exponent, 4 times 4 minus 2. How much will we get here?
16 minus 2, so 14.
So we get 14 for inside the parentheses. Now we can rewrite the expression without the parentheses anymore. 3 times 14 divided by 7 times 2. What is next in the order of operations?
So now that we've gotten down to multiplication and division, we start going from right to left. So 3 times 14.
Wait. What direction do we go with the multiplication?
Oh, left to right. Yeah.
Or basically we can say we go in the order it appears, right? We just start just like we read left to right. So we will do multiplication and division in our usual order as they appear. So first, second, third. So 3 times 14
is 42.
Yes, it's 30 and 12, so 42. Then 42 divided by 7
is 6.
42, I shouldn't write equal because I have also 5 in front. So let's copy 5. And then 42 divided by 7 times 2. So I computed that part and substituted 42. Now 5 plus divided 42 by 7 got 6 times 2. And finally?
That's going to be 12 plus 5, so 17.
5 plus 12 is 17. That's it. Just remember PEMDAS and follow the order of it.